What's up guys, this is Ashwin. Today we're going to be replacing the third brake light on my BMW 1 Series. Alright, so I'm going to be replacing this brake light because if you can look, I don't know if you can see it, but let me see if it can focus. There's a crack right here and there's another crack right there, and I Gorilla Glued this in, but I just wanted to replace the whole thing. Alright, so first thing you gotta do is remove these 8 little, I don't know what to call them, but you basically just pop it out, and this whole fabric piece would come down. Alright, now with the fabric piece removed, there's going to be these 4 little, let's see here, 4 little studs that you have to remove the little nut off of and the spring, and then the whole thing will just come out. Out. Now we just disconnected the connector. So here's the old one and here's the new one. This one has a black outside, so I thought that would darken this a little bit, because I don't know, just to see if it would look a little bit better. So yeah, so let's install the new one now. Alright, so I wasn't recording, but I popped it in now. And caution, do not buy the black one. I had to do some dremeling and stuff, so do not buy the black one, buy the white one. That sounded pretty bad. Okay, so I'm installing my old one back on. Just pretend it's a new one. But yeah, I'll explain that later. Alright, do not buy this black thing on eBay. Do not buy this one. 3 things. Number 1, you need to shave down, because there's a line here. It won't go in if this line's here. So you have to shave that, which I did. Then you have to cut an entire hole here with the Dremel, because it won't fit otherwise. Because the OEM one has a hole here. This one did not have a hole, so it did not fit. Third thing, it doesn't have a gasket around it, so it's not going to hold water like the OEM one. And third of all, it's just overall not good. Do not buy this one. If you want to buy a new one, either buy OEM, or just make sure that it has the hole here, it does not have any plastic on the bottom here, and that it has a gasket. That being said, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content. This video was kind of pointless for me, but hopefully it was useful for you. So yeah, give me a thumbs up for that. But yeah, anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.